Hi friends, welcome to another video. We are in Skopje. I hope you enjoyed the last vlog. It was a bit different. It was a bit of a daily vlog. It was a bit of like insight into my life as to what I do when I'm not traveling. As you can see, we are in a really cool place. We are in Skopje. I think that's how it's pronounced. Skopje. Skopje, I think. Comment below. Did I say that wrong? I don't know. It is a beautiful day. It's nice and early. I'm going to show you guys this city. I've been here, well, I'm here for 5 nights. I'm absolutely loving my Airbnb. I literally feel like I live here. Going to the local corner shop, getting my groceries, my food shopping. I'm not American. But yeah, as you can see, there is a massive, like a gigantic statue behind me. And one thing I really noticed when I got off the bus is there are statues literally all over the city. Like from where I'm standing right now, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see a lot. I can see a lot of statues right now. We are going on a good old walking tour. I met a friend, Janine, on my first day here. She was actually in Ohrid, and then we bumped into each other at a vegan cafe. So we're gonna do a walking tour and explore today. Now, today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm just gonna vlog today, and then on Monday, I'm just gonna vlog Monday. I've realized that my vlogs are getting quite long, like some of them are 20 minutes. Let me know in the comments down below, do you like longer vlogs? Which is a good amount of time? Is it 10 minutes? Is it 5 minutes? Is it 15? Is it 20 minutes? I'm happy between 10 and 20. What I'm gonna do is trial just doing like a daily vlog, like a complete day in my life of travel, because what I tend to do when I go out exploring is that I'll explore for the whole day, but sometimes I might have like a few days of what happened in a vlog. Let me know in the comments down below. But before we go anywhere, make sure you guys hit subscribe. You can go follow me on Instagram if you want some daily content. And yeah, I'm really excited to be here. So let's check it out, guys. Like when I say there is a lot of statues in this place, literally 1, 2, 3, 4, I've lost count. But you get the picture, yeah? There's a lot of statues. I'm sure we'll see this on the walking tour, but I just wanted to show you guys what I mean, because this is the road that I walked down the other day, and I was like, whoa, there's a lot of statues. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I... Oh no, we can go get cake. So a little update, I'm here with Janine. She's from Switzerland, and we've just finished probably one of the longest walking tours in my life. It went on for 3 hours, but it was really good. I'll leave the details below. We're just off to a nice little vegan, healthy restaurant. Went around all like the main points in the city. I did just want to say, because I was sort of interested to find out, why is it North Macedonia? And I even said to the tour guide, I was like, when I hear like North Korea, there's always the South Korea, or like North America, there's South America, but there is only North Macedonia, and it was changed in 2018 from Macedonia, and they call it Macedonia, but translated in the English language, it's Macedonia. I am so excited for food right now. Okay, so that plan flopped very quickly. They're actually closed because I think did they run out of food, or they've done everything? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna have to find somewhere else. We have found a raw food vegan place that did not come out correctly, but I've just ordered a coffee, a burger, and a slice of cake. I'm so hungry. It's like 2 p.m. right now, but this place is called, I'm just gonna show you and I'll like link it up on screen, but I found it on Happy Cow. I'm very happy for coffee. Like, I just need a coffee. The cake looked really good. I can't wait to show you guys this food. Also, I totally won't be offended. Do I look like Tiger King today? Carol Baskin. I don't know. I'm trying to like not tie my hair up so I can actually do things with it, because when I tie it up, I get a kink, and I don't even know if you can hear me. But yeah, kind of feel like look like a Tiger King today. So finally got my coffee, and I just had like a really interesting thought. I was like, this is a raw cafe, is my coffee gonna be raw? And I was like trying to work out if that's actually a thing, but I can confirm it's not raw because it's warm. So this is completely raw food, meaning it's not cooked. It kind of looks like carrots, but this is the sweet potato. It tastes good. Not good?
No, I got something in my cheeks.
Okay. It's a little while later now. The food was really good. Me and Janine ended up going back to my Airbnb for a bit because we were just so full of the food, but definitely recommend that place. Go and get the raw vegan Snicker bar thing. That was really good. Now I think we're just gonna have a wander around and then go explore the Turkish part of the city before we go and watch a nice little sunset, we hope, at the fortress area. So I'm gonna show you a little bit more of Skopje. So we have just stumbled across this beautiful little setting. It's nice and quiet. There's like a mosque over there, which we didn't try to go in because we got shorts and t-shirt on and stuff. But yeah, I really love places like this that are just within the city. Like we walked up a little hill and look, it just looks incredible. Like FYI, I'm not really sure what that little clock tower is. Don't know if it's part of the mosque, I don't know, but it looks cute. Say hello.
Ja, dragi. Oki.
Yeah.
Dragi isto.
So we're just in the food market. Some random guy just asked to take his picture. So we're just gonna walk around now. On our walk-in tour earlier, the guy said this is where everyone gets everything. Like if you've got like a broken pipe, you come here. If you need fruit and vegetables, you come here. Yeah, everyone seems to be really friendly. Just tried this Turkish delight and it's vegan and it's really good, and I'm tempted to get some because it was like pistachio and almond butter, one of my two favorite things. So we have come up the fortress. We're gonna try and catch sunset. I'm not sure if when the sun is gonna set, but it looks freaking amazing up here. Got a cheeky little wedding going on over there. Yeah, gonna get some good views. According to the tour guide earlier, this is the highest point in the city, and this is where the Ottoman Empire took over so they could keep watch over the city. I actually used to be a sunrise person, and now I think this trip has fully converted me into a little golden hour boy, a little sunset boy. But yeah, the views up here are just incredible. Bit too short to see over. Luckily we got the good old camera to get those views for us. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. So we found our perfect little sunset spot. It's annoying, there's a wall that goes all the way around, but because I'm so short, you can't actually see over. But there is no one here right now. I'm looking nice and golden with my Tiger King hair. I feel like I look like Tiger King today because he's got like the longish hair at the back.
Oh yeah, right.
With the hat, it's just giving me those vibes today.
I know we're going somewhere, into the danger zone. It all points right to that.
Yo. Had dinner. Don't know why I'm snapping all over the place. But yeah, I just had a really good dinner. I had seitan, broccoli and rice and vegetables. The first time I've eaten broccoli in so long. Like literally so long. Back home I eat broccoli every single day. Had a really good day. Skopje, you're amazing. Had a lot of fun today. Learned a lot. just like processing everything. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me today and Janine. Literally had such a good time with her. I'm so glad that I met her at this random vegan burger shop or whatever. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to support the channel, and take care. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi. Oh, my nipple. Oh my god. Caught again. I hate this shirt so much. So I did a little reading. Oh my god, that is so loud. Do you mind? Oh my god, it's so loud here and people are looking at me.
Into danger zone. It all points right to that.